Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're going to tackle a common problem that can arise when setting up OneDrive on a VeraCrypt partition. So, the problem we're facing is that after moving the OneDrive folder to the VeraCrypt container and enabling files on demand, an error message pops up with the code 0x801F00F, asking us to restart the computer and try again. Quite frustrating, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the solution for this issue. It turns out that the root cause lies in the file system. VeraCrypt defaulted to exFAT, which doesn't sit well with OneDrive's preference for NTFS. So, to fix this, we need to format the VeraCrypt partition as NTFS, ensuring that OneDrive syncs smoothly without any errors. Make sure to back up your synced files, format the partition, copy the files back, and voila! OneDrive should work seamlessly once again. In summary, we've discovered that the conflict between VeraCrypt's exFAT default and OneDrive's requirement for NTFS is what causes the error message to appear. By formatting the partition to NTFS, we've resolved the issue and restored OneDrive's functionality. If you ever encounter a similar problem, remember this simple solution to keep things running smoothly. Alright, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy syncing!